Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gmail and signing in. Once done, click the chat icon in the left sidebar. If chat is not enabled, toggle it on in settings so you can start messaging. Next, locate a contact or choose Create Space to invite multiple people. This organizes conversations. You're starting immediate communication rather than configuring everything up front. Make sure notifications are allowed so messages reach you. If you need persistent chats, pin the space. This gets you ready to send your first messages quickly. Now you focus on using features to communicate clearly. You can type messages, attach files, and drag images into the composer. Once sent, recipients receive previews. Use it mentions to notify specific people and start threaded replies inside a space to keep topics organized. For quick checks, add reactions. For deeper conversations, launch an audio or video call with the camera icon. Make sure to label files and use simple subject lines in spaces so others locate information faster, and you finish by organizing and securing your chat environment so it remains useful. You should customize notification levels, snooze chats when focused, and set Do Not Disturb windows. Once configured, you'll avoid interruptions. Archive or leave spaces that aren't relevant to reduce clutter, and review chat settings for retention and access. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection, then confirm account sync and browser permissions for microphone, camera, and notifications. If issues persist, sign out and back in to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.